18 healthcare business ideas for passionate entrepreneurs. The healthcare sector is an amazing place for aspiring entrepreneurs to open up shop. Exploring healthcare business ideas is smart for lots of reasons. There is an opportunity to do a world of good by serving an aging population and helping those struggling with the national drug crisis. There are lots of new medical and technological advances and widespread interest in health and wellness too. And those are all great incentives for passionate entrepreneurs. Plus, these factors combined means there is a thriving market for health-related businesses. Aspiring new business owners can turn one of many healthcare business ideas into a viable way to make a living, including those entrepreneurs who want to work remotely, like entrepreneurial moms, for instance. Welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. On this channel, we bring to you exciting business ideas and information about Africa and the world at large. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of our videos. This list of healthcare business ideas should get you started and hopefully inspire you to explore starting a company. Number 1, medical transcription services. Medical transcriptionists transcribe doctors and other healthcare practitioners' voice recordings into written documents for patients' records. Speech recognition technology has definitely improved the efficiency of medical transcription, sure, but it certainly hasn't yet replaced the need for human transcriptionists to review and correct the transcriptions to make sure they are accurate. This is a great business to run from home because you can make your own hours and all of the work can be done digitally. Plus, if you are digitally savvy and can create an efficient way to share files, you can really one-up the competition. Number 2, medical records management. Start a service that manages medical records for hospitals, clinics, and doctors' offices. You can work with clients to identify the best records management systems, implement them, and provide their staff with training on how to use the systems. Another approach, you can offer a full-service medical records management and clients can outsource the work to you. That will be helpful for boutique practices and sole practitioners who need the organization but can't afford the in-house staff. Number 3, physical occupational therapy center. Physical therapists help patients recover from injuries to regain their full range of motion and reduce pain. Occupational therapists provides more specific therapy to help patients perform tasks of daily living, such as dressing themselves or feeding themselves. You can specialize in one or the other or put both under one roof. Note that this does require certification. Number 4, develop a healthcare app. Both healthcare providers and individuals alike are increasingly turning to mobile apps to track, record, and manage medical conditions. The world is your oyster if you are skilled at app development. So you might want to consider developing your own healthcare app targeting this market. Your own healthcare app targeting these markets. Do some skilled research to find out where your skills can feed a need. Number 5, Diabetic Care Center. According to World Health Organization, so many people in Africa have diabetes and are pre-diabetic. Opening a diabetic care center can help diabetic patients improve their quality of life by providing nutrition counseling, dialysis, and other medical services. You can also provide preventive help such as teaching healthy eating habits and providing support groups for diabetics. Number 6, home health care service. A home health care service provides in-home medical care for recently discharged hospital patients, patients with chronic health conditions, seniors, and others who need assistance managing their health. In countries with rapidly growing aging population like Nigeria, not only could this be a benefit to the community, but also a strong business prospect for you. Number 7, medical foot care. A growing population of seniors and diabetics means more need for foot care services. Something as simple as trimming toenails can be impossible for seniors and overweight patients who can't reach their feet. You can either open a foot care clinic or save patients a trip to the pediatrist by providing mobile foot care services in their homes or in a van. You will need to train as a pediatrist or hire one. Number 8, drug treatment/rehabilitation center. As drug use has escalated to become a national crisis in Africa, legitimate places for people to help overcome their addiction and rebuild their lives are needed more than ever. Every day, a lot of Africans die after overdosing on opioids, according to the National Institute of Drug Abuse. Open a drug treatment and rehabilitation center to help clients with drug addiction. You can specialize in different types of patients, such as juveniles or patients with criminal records. Number 9, childbirth services. Today's expectant parents want to control every aspect of childbirth, and that often includes having a midwife or doula present at the birth. The use of midwives is increasing according to statistics. Midwives are trained healthcare providers who assist women during childbirth, while a doula is more like a pregnancy coach who helps couples arrange all aspects of the birth and caring for the newborn. You can either become certified yourself or open a business that employs contractors under your umbrella. Number 10, medical billing service. Medical billing requires performing complex coding when submitting insurance claim. Certification is required in this field to ensure that doctors and other healthcare practitioners get paid, so it's a big deal, as you might expect. Although big hospitals and healthcare organizations often have in-house staff, small medical practices that don't have time to manage billing and coding themselves are an ideal market for medical billing services. Acquire and learn medical billing software, get trained in proper coding, and target these smaller medical practices to take medical billing hassle off their hands. And you can even do your certification online. Number 11, nutritionist/dietitian. If you want to help people improve their nutritional intake and habits, you can build a business as a nutritionist or dietitian. Only nutritionists who get a license with the Commission of Diabetic registration can advertise themselves as dietitians. Some countries regulate nutritionists and others don't. You can specialize in different types of clients, such as sports nutrition, nutrition for weight loss, or holistic nutrition. Number 12, alternative healthcare. Acupuncture and massage therapy are two alternative healthcare business ideas that are becoming more mainstream and popular. Many are using these services to supplement their traditional medical treatment or as a primary treatment unto itself. Check with your country to see what the requirements are to practice. They vary across the country. They vary from country to country. Even when health insurance plans don't provide coverage, Africans are more willing to pay out of pocket for these types of care than they used to be. Number 13, health information website. If you have healthcare expertise or access to people who do, consider starting a website to provide healthcare information and advice. You can create all kinds of content, such as podcasts, YouTube videos, and even online classes in addition to blog posts. You might even be able to get healthcare experts to contribute content for free in exchange for the publicity your site offers. There are a lot of options. Just make certain that you do some market research to figure out the white space to fill and find viable revenue streams to make your business highly sustainable too. Number 14, medical supply sales. Seniors, people with disabilities, and others with chronic illnesses have an ongoing need for medical supplies and equipment. This can include walkers, braces, bedpans, and more. Although you can open a physical store, keep in mind that your target customers will often have difficulty getting to your location, so an e-commerce site is likely a better bet. Again, research here will be key so you can make sure that you are stocking the right product and marketing in the right places. Number 15, stylish uniforms for medical professionals. Medical professionals who wear scrubs to work are always looking for affordable and durable uniforms. They are also looking for stylish uniforms, and those aren't as easy to find. If you are as into fashion as you are outfitting doctors, nurses, and medical staff, start a store selling scrubs, comfortable shoes, lab coats, and other gears for healthcare professionals. You can design the goods yourself or source them from multiple places and encourage your customers with word-of-mouth incentives to drive sales. Number 16, hearing aid dispensary. Because hearing aids generally aren't covered by health insurance, this can be a lucrative healthcare business idea if you find the right customer base. You might want to open a location to provide hearing tests, recommendations, and hearing aid fitting and care. You could even outfit a mobile van to come to customers' home to clean and repair their hearing aids as an extra service. Number 17, Respite care service for caregivers. Whether they are parents caring or severely disabled children or adult children caring for aging parents, caregivers have a stressful job. Provide a much needed break for caregivers by starting a respite care business. Your caregivers can come in for a few hours or a few days, giving family caregivers a chance to rejuvenate. Number 18, medical marijuana dispensary. As a growing number of countries legalize medical marijuana, this $8 billion industry is projected to continue with growth. According to Ibis World, opening a medical marijuana dispensary can be a profitable business in the right location. There you have it, viewers. Those were 18 healthcare business ideas for passionate entrepreneurs. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave us a comment and also let us know which topics you would want us to cover in our subsequent videos. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any of our exciting videos. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.